We're going to be installing this morning a new antenna, which is a little bit longer than the default antenna. And that's something that is useful when you have to find signal further away from your modem. So a new antenna comes into two pieces. The antenna itself, which is a high gain antenna, and sometimes an extension cable if you need more length than the 12 foot of your high gain antenna. Before we install the new antenna, we have to remove the old one. Two steps. First one is taking apart the antenna cable from the patch cable which stays inside the modem, removing the cord grip, and you can do that with your fingers, or sometimes you may need to use a screwdriver. So now the old antenna is away. We keep this component because we're going to use it for connecting the new antenna. Your new antenna is going to be coming again with a cord grip that you just insert into the box and reconnect to the wall of your modem. Make it tight between those things, but then let your cable go through. Next step is going to be reconnecting the patch cable connected to the modem to your new antenna. It's an SMA connection, and so you're just going to thread the two pieces together until it's tight and secure. Last step, if you use an extension cable, we need to connect the antenna to the other side of the extension cable. We're going to take the antenna itself. Again, the same way, you thread in your antenna cable end to the other end, make sure it's secure. And finally, on the antenna itself, the base is magnetic, so it's always good to try to install it on some metal piece. And the stem just threads onto the base. You're going to want to make that thread be secure and fully connected. And here it is. You have a modem with now a 30-foot extension cord, a 12-foot high gain antenna that you can bring further away from the modem to get a better signal.